This is Taste of 20, and now this is going to be a review on a shop vac. So I bought a shop vac, and I looked for the best value shop vac with really good ratings on Amazon, and we'll see how that comes out. And this right here is the shop vac. So I'm going to open it, and let's see how it comes out. So first we're going to open this shop vac right here. Okay. Alright. So I'm using a straight edge. So the purpose of a shop vac is mainly to clean certain areas, and you need the horsepower to actually suck down certain bags, and if you want to lift things off the ground. So it's a little stronger than regular vacuums. And this shop vac was for a very good price. If I can remember, the total amount was $60. So this is the best shop vac that I could find for roughly around $60. So this is the 2.5 gallon wall mount wet or dry shop vac. So this can, so say you spill water, you can also divert water off the ground. So let's get this out of the box real fast. Okay. Oof. Kind of hard to get out of the box because it's so well packaged. Alright, okay. So this shop vac says that it has 4 feet of hose, a gopher nozzle, a Cervici tool, crevice tool, wall mounted tool holder, and a wall mounting bracket. So you could mount this to a wall and use this in your garage. But since it's so lightweight, I don't mind just carrying it with me. So let's see how this shop vac. Okay. Cool. It's kind of small and lightweight. I like how it has a handle too. It's nice. So looks like when you get out of the box, you can just open it up. It already has a filter on it. Looks like it has some instructions, and it's got one of these center filter cage. Alright, okay. So it says reusable dry disc filter. Oh, it's a filter. Cool. So I like how easy the instructions are. So it says number 1, filter cage. This is the filter cage. Looks like you just take the filter out. Then number 2, foam filter sleeve. Okay. And then you just mount the ring into it. Dry. Center and filter cage. Oh, okay. So you take this right on off. Oh. Then you take this. It says foam filter sleeve in place. Okay. So it looks like you just put this on here, and you mount the ring on. Looks like this end goes this way. Ooh. And then you put this on. Whoa. I think if you do wet water, you probably have to take it out because you don't want that getting wet or the filter. Probably take this whole thing out. And like that, it filters the air that goes into it. Maybe you don't need to take it out because it's filtering the air, right? And then you take this, like you just plug it in. See the instructions say, okay, you put the filter on, put the ring on. Okay. Mount it to the wall if you want to. Alright. So let's just get this plugged in. So it looks like suction comes from the back. So just suck it from the front. So okay, let's see how this comes out. So okay, wish me good luck. I'm very sweaty because it's very hot here in California right now. Alright. So let's plug this all in and see how this suction works. Okay, so this is about 4 feet. See how well it works. It's very strong suction so far. So let's see if it picks up this bag. Nice. So it's got real good power. And I also have this bag right here. Let's see how fast this vacuum feels this. Wow, that was like in seconds. Okay. Let's see how much suction it has on the human body. It's got pretty good suction. And let's see what the pieces that it comes with. So it comes with one of these guys, a wall mount. Looks like you want to divert water in here, and this is really nice. Okay, it's a pretty good shop vac. So if you like the shop vac, go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe. I'm really going to use this to clean my car, I guess, and if I have a chance, clean everything else around the house, and pretty much vacuum seal all my, I guess, winter clothes. So go ahead and if you like that, click on the affiliate link down below, and don't forget to subscribe.